Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the process of bonus module in Saral Paypack to create definition of bonus manually or through formulae. The bonus is a reward that is paid to an employee for his work dedication towards the organization. The basic objective to give the bonus is to share the profit earned by the organization amongst the employees and staff members. The law relating to the procedure of payment of bonus to the employees is named as Payment of Bonus Act 1965. The Payment of Bonus Act applies to every factory and establishment which employs not less than 20 persons on any day during the accounting year. Every employee drawing not less than Rs 21,000 per month and who has worked for not less than 30 days in an accounting year shall be eligible for the bonus. To know more, please read our blog on bonus at saralpaypack.com. Let us now see the process in Saral Paypack. To enable the bonus module, go to Company Details under Initial Settings and enable bonus. Next, click on Bonus under Pre-Salary Transactions. To create a bonus head, click on Add and enter the name. Note that the name given here will reflect in the payslip as bonus component. On creation of the bonus head, expand the same and click on Definition to start the configuration of bonus. Now we will define the bonus. To define bonus through formulae, click on three-dotted button next to Formula field and define the bonus formula in Expression Editor. Note that to define bonus formulae in Expression Editor, one can use only CV component of salary heads. After defining the formulae, select the same from the drop-down. If you wish to enter the bonus value manually, enable Allow Manual Editing. Next, select the months for which the bonus is to be given. The duration can be a single month or many months. Also, select the month in which the bonus is being paid. If you want to restrict the bonus to a certain amount, enter the amount at max bonus. That is, if max bonus is given as 5,000 on calculation of bonus and if the computed amount is 6,500, then the bonus will be restricted to 5,000. As per Bonus Act, all employees with minimum 30 working days are to be considered for bonus. To consider this rule, enable Consider employees with a minimum working days off and enter the minimum period. By default, the period will be taken as 30 days, which can be changed if required. Now, select if bonus is given with monthly salary or as a separate component. If it is given with salary, select Dependent under Salary. If it is given as a separate component, that is, in cash or check, select as Independent. If the amount is given in FFS, that is full and final settlement, then select Independent and enable Include in FFS. Select the applicable round off method to round off the bonus amount under round off to. Select the payment mode for bonus from the drop down under Mode of Payment. For dependent type, the payment mode is by default set to bank advice. To consider PT on bonus, enable PT on bonus and select the respective options. The options are: if the PT has to be considered for the bonus consideration months, then select respective months. Else, if the PT has to be considered for the pay month, then select current month. Second, if PT is to be considered based on previous year's salary, select consider previous year. Else, select do not consider previous year. This is to be considered only when the bonus is given on previous year months. If bonus computation percentage is not defined in formula, then enable calculate bonus percentage on salary amount. That is, if the formula is given as CV basic plus CVDA, then enable the above option and give the percentage of calculation in the space provided. If the formula is given as CV basic plus CVDA into 10%, then do not enable the option as percentage of calculation is already defined in the formula. On doing all the above settings, click on Save and the definition will be ready for bonus computation. This completes the process of defining bonus in bonus module of Saral Paypack. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.